The medical device industry is constantly evolving, driven by technological advancements that demand biocompatible, minimally invasive solutions. Among the most intriguing innovations in material science is Nitinol, a material celebrated for its unique shape memory and superelastic properties. These qualities make Nitinol essential to the future of life-changing medical applications. However, while Nitinol's properties are remarkable, manufacturing this smart material requires precision and meticulous attention to detail. For over 20 years, Alleima has been a trusted partner at the forefront of Nitinol processing, combining deep material expertise with extensive precision manufacturing capabilities. From initial design to serial production, Alleima partners with its customers at every stage to develop and deliver high-quality, complex medical solutions. Our extensive experience in Nitinol processing allows us to customize and adapt to specific customer needs, ensuring the functionality and flexibility of Nitinol devices, all in a cost-effective manner.
We get the customer coming to us with their ideas, with their challenges, in between of the range having just a rough idea of what we want to solve and needing Nitinol come to achieve that. Or they maybe even have a finalized idea and are seeking for somebody who is able to manufacture maybe a higher volume or in a stable quality. And in between of that wide range, we can adapt on every need they have.
Once we transition from sampling to full-scale production, our focus shifts to establishing a stable, efficient manufacturing process. Whether you require low or high volume output, our team is equipped to scale production seamlessly while maintaining the highest quality standards. Our core capabilities include advanced braiding, grinding and joining techniques. However, one of our key specialties is complex shape setting, which allows Nitinol components to retain their memory of their original form.
We do a lot of, for example, kidney stone baskets, which are formed out of multiple wires and need to be connected and flexible in the same moment, and being able to open up into the human body but being closed again into the inner diameter of a really, really small catheter.
With our state-of-the-art clean room facilities, we ensure that all final products are sterilized and ready for delivery, providing our clients with the confidence and peace of mind that their devices meet the most rigorous standards. In conclusion, Nitinol is more than just a material. It's a key to navigating complex structures and reaching deep within the body with minimal invasiveness, using its remarkable properties to enhance and even save lives.